Alrighty, so I just checked my battery and battery has no issue, but I don't know why it did. But it did. All this thing, you think it's waste? Absolutely not. Just put him in here, like that. We're gonna add in the butter later on. It needs a lot of butter. So what I'm doing now is brushing off extra cornstarch. So I'm gonna have 8 layers of baklava pastry sheet at the bottom, and I guess 8 on top. And that'll do the job. That's the way you do it. That's how you do it. Let's cut it in half, shall we? There you go. Just put one here, very gently, nicely, like that. And one over here. So the bottom layer is done. Now we're gonna put in the peanut. Okay, you don't have to use peanut if you have pistachio or almond or walnut. Be my guest and feel free to use them. But I have peanuts and I'm gonna use that right now.